Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm here again with another self-care video in which I'm going to show you some skincare and hair care products. Today I have received this kit from Indus Valley and I wanted to try it on camera to see how it works. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and press the bell notification to watch more videos like this. I love to take care of my skin and hair, so I keep trying different Ayurvedic products. So without any further ado, let's begin. The first product is Indus Valley Onion Hair Fall Control Oil. It comes in a bottle and it has a mild natural fragrance in it. The best part of the packaging is this spray feature. You can directly spray it on your scalp without spilling. It is a perfect balanced diet for hair and scalp skin, which are enriched with onion root extract, black seed and grapeseed oil. These are loaded with antioxidants, sulfur and potassium to lock hair fall. It has a very light and non-greasy texture. Section your hair and spray the oil directly to your scalp. Massage the oil in circular motion on your scalp. Keep it for a minimum 2 hours. For better results, I would suggest to apply it overnight. Wash it off with the water using mild shampoo and then use a moisturizing hair conditioner. It also contains lotus and pomegranate oil to reform dull lifeless hair and unlock scalp skin follicles to strengthen hair and to condition scalp skin. Regular use strengthens hair's cuticle to boost hair growth, prevents split ends and hair fall. It is safe and perfect for conditioning all types of hair, including chemically treated hair. Next product is Indus Valley Organic DIY Combo Beauty Kit. This is a 5 combo pack which can be used up to 20 applications. This kit is skin detoxifying scrub pack with pure organic beauty ingredients. It is a ready to mix kit which includes aloe vera gel, multani mitti powder, activated wood charcoal powder, sandalwood face powder and peppermint essential oil. Price of the kit is $423, which I believe is a very affordable price based on the quality they are providing. In this recipe book, you will get all the instruction how to create the packs, how to create the mask based on the ingredients provided. I'm giving you a closer look of the ingredients which is available in this kit. So the packaging is very informative, like direction of use and the benefits you will get all on the packaging itself. All the ingredients are bio-organic and processed in FDA recognized facility. And when you open it, it comes in a pack like this. All the products are vegan, cruelty-free and tested for non-allergy certification. Ingredients have fresh and long shelf life. Now I'm making a face brightening mask using the ingredients, for which I am using 1/4 spoon of multani mitti powder, 1/4 spoon of sandalwood face pack powder, 1/4 spoon of aloe vera gel and 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil with 1 to 2 spoon of water to make honey-like paste. For the application, I am using a flat face pack brush. You can use your finger if you want. So I'll leave it for a while, allow it to dry, then rinse off with water. Always use freshly made mixture and discard the leftover mixture after use. While the application, I am feeling very much fresh and cooling, and the fragrance of sandalwood and multani mitti is really freshening up my mind as well. All the details about the product and the brand I'll be mentioning in the description box. I'll drop the purchase links as well, so don't forget to check it. Personally, I loved all the products, but from all, DIY kit is my favorite because the fragrance and the feel I get from the ingredients, that is really refreshing. If you are looking some organic natural products for your hair and skin, you can explore Indus Valley. They have wide range of products which are effective and affordable at the same time. Do share your thoughts with me in the comment section about this video. I'll leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it with normal water. It's really refreshing after the wash. Last product is Indus Valley Haircare Oil. This is how the outer packaging looks. All the information about the product you'll get on the packaging itself. The Indus Valley Haircare Oil is derived from argan oil from Morocco, which is a light oil specially formulated for delicate needs of ultra-fine and light-colored hair. This hair oil can be used as conditioning and styling. The oil is infused with antioxidant rich wheat germ extract, strengthening proteins, omega-3 and shine boosting vitamins. This is how the inner packaging looks. My favorite part is this lid. You can just flip and use. You can carry it with yourself anywhere, it won't spill. Apply 1 to 2 ml hair care oil to clean, towel dried hair from mid-length to the ends. Blow dry or let it dry naturally. It reduces drying time and helps to restore and revive hair damaged from chemicals found in shampoos, color processes and perms, as well as environmental factors. The benefits of this oil is non-greasy, restores luster and shine, nourishes and softens, moisturize hair, color and UV protection, rich in omega-3, contains vitamin E, A and antioxidants. This is an absolute transformative method that leaves hair healthy, shiny and much more manageable. Love you guys so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, bye.